Details matters. They create the depth, and the depth creates authenticity. By Neil Blumenthal. Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about some of the super powerful tips and tricks about professional networking. Yes, if you are interested, then let's begin the journey. So, in our early days, when we are in networking business, and someone who are showing the plan and asked, what is 2 plus 2? And they say 4. No, it's not 4. Here in networking, it is 16. It is 4 times more powerful than your ordinary life. So when you develop these 3 most powerful networking skills, then you'll get this exponential growth in your career, in your personal life also. Yes, so let's deep dive into these 3 most powerful networking skills. If you're interested, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. The first important skill is learning is the key skill. Why? Because if you learn, you will know much more things. If you get one idea, it will drastically change your whole life 360 degrees. Yes, and as we all know, 10 heads are better than 1 head. This power of learning through seminar, books, workshops, and event. Whenever you get a chance, deep dive into these learning skills. And second most powerful skill is listening skill. So this skill has to be developed in our life because we don't know how to listen actively, not only from our ear, but we have to listen through a whole body. You have to develop the skills because people doesn't care what you say until they know how much you care. That is the power of genuine listening, active listening. Yes, and third most important and most powerful skill is authenticity is the key skill. You have to develop this authenticity because this is a journey of give and take. We are human beings. This is not only seeking the opportunity, but also providing the opportunity, adding the value to other people. Authenticity, be genuineness. And as the saying goes, our eyes are the window to our soul. It doesn't matter what you say, but it matters how you say it. It means that authenticity. You have to align what you think, what you do to your behavior so that it clearly indicate what you want to say. This will know by your audience. And be genuine. Be ready to give service. Be authentic. So guys, if you find any important among these 3 powerful tips, you can apply in your daily life and get your goal and dream fulfilled. So guys, if you like more of these tips and tricks, then please comment in my template and I will share more insightful and inspirational video in coming days. So guys, if you like it, then let's meet in our next video. Bye.